Hi. In this example, I want to show you how you can create a letter series and a number series dynamically in Excel. Creating number series is still possible manually if you put in 1 and 2 and then drag it down. But that would not work with a list where you want A, B, C, D, E, and so on. Let us look at the Excel file that we have. We have here 9 customer needs, and the objective is we want to get 1 all the way through 9, and then starting at A, going up all the way as A, B, C, D, E, like that. And of course, we want to do it dynamically so that tomorrow, if we add another customer name, the series should also get updated. Doing the numbers is fairly easy. We simply have to do sequence and then count all of column C and then -1 to remove the heading from the count. And as you can see, it gives us 1 all the way through 9. And if I add another name, you can see that the number gets updated. Let us see how we can do this in letters. So first, I will create a sequence of numbers like we had done last time. So we will say count. And we will keep our starting value as 1. Now this gives us 1 all the way till 9. Once we have done this, what we want to do now is to take this in an address function where the row number is 1 and we already have the column number with us. And we are going to keep this as a relative reference. So this gives us A1, B1, C1 like this. Now we want to remove the 1 from this. So we will simply substitute and say that the 1 should be replaced with a blank. So this gives us the letters from A to I. Now we can make a lowercase, and that's it. There you go. So tomorrow when I add a name, you can see that the letter series automatically gets updated. And if I copy this a few more times, you will see that it also goes beyond the letter Z. So it also goes into double letters right now. Let's also put this in a lambda. Now the only thing that needs to be dynamic is this starting number. So I just take this count A CC and let us call this the range. And then in the beginning, we will say lambda range like this. Let's take the formula. Go to formulas and then select the name manager. Create a new name. Let's call this letter series, and I'll simply paste my lambda here like this. And now we can simply say equal to letter series, and in the range we simply put a 10 and it gives us the result. If you want to get that dynamically, you can also say count A of the entire column -1, right, like this. Now right now you don't need to put that -1 because our lambda is automatically taking care of that. So we can simply put letter series count A of column C. So there you go, how we can get the number series dynamically and how we can get the letter series dynamically.